Now, let's select this area. Sketch. Draw a center line in the center. Select this line. From here, bring it back to get the arc, and close it. Escape. Select this point, hold Ctrl key at the keyboard and make them vertical. Select Smart Dimension, this line, and as we can see, is 13. Select this line, type 18, as we can see here. And because it doesn't have a reference from the origin, we have to connect it with the center line to be fully defined. Escape. Select this center line and make them vertical. Now it's fully defined. Select mirror entities, mirror about, select the center line. OK. Features, Extrude Cut. Through all. OK.